Hi, Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make a square in a square block. I'm going to show you 3 different methods of cutting it out. So one that doesn't use any special tools, another that you can use the essential triangle ruler or flying geese type of ruler, or an AccuQuilt Go if you have a cube. I will show you all 3 methods. All right, let's get started. Our first method is going to take a square, and I'm using a 4.5-inch square here, and that means I want my small 4 squares, you're going to want 4 of them, to be half of that, so 2.5 for our seam allowance. The half with the 4.5 is our seam allowance, so this will finish at 4, and these are 2.5 to have the seam allowance. And then we're just going to draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of the fabric from corner to corner. And we'll do that on all 4 of them. So with this method, we're going to stick one of these here in the corner, sew along this line, another in this corner, and sew along this line. So once we've sewn on them, then I like to press this back to make sure that I have covered my corners before I trim my seam allowance. And then we're just going to trim our seam allowance. And we'll take our the remaining 2, and we're going to sew on that line. And we're going to sew on this line. Then once we have it sewn, we're once again going to press to make sure we sewed straight and everything covers the edges. And then we're going to trim our seam allowance again. And then you have this cute little square in a square. That's one method. Another method is we can use our Go Cube. And this is, I have this 12-inch. They have an 8, 6. You're going to use, it's interchangeable between all of the cubes, just depending on which size block you're doing. This will make a 6-inch block. So you're going to want the number 5 die and the number 6 die. You'll want one of the number 5, and you'll need to put 2 layers of fabric on the number 6 to get 4 for your corners. And you'll just run that through your Go. Okay, so you'll have 1 of these, 4 of these. And to start, we're going to put on opposite sides, line these up, and stitch here, and stitch here. So it's going to look like this, and then we're going to take our remaining 2 triangles. We're going to line them up on the opposite sides, or the remaining sides. And we're going to stitch here, and we're going to stitch here. And that will give us our cute square in a square. Then our remaining method uses our essential triangle ruler. For our squares, we're cutting them. This will give us a 6.5-inch finished block, or 6-inch finished block. So this strip for our squares is 4 3/4, and we're just going to cut a 4 3/4 inch square. And I've got those cut here. Okay, and then from our strip, we're going to want a 3.5 inch. And we're just going to take our, you can use a flying geese or a central triangle ruler, whichever one you have. I like these last two methods best because there's not the waste that there is with the first method. I guess you do have to pay for the tool, but then you have less waste with your fabric from there on out. So we're going to want 4 of these triangles. I've had this doubled up, so I have all 4 now. And then we're just going to do the same method that we did before, where we put these 2 on first, and we're going to stitch, and then we'll do the next 2. And stitch. And that will give us our square in a square. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked them. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.